My final year project. It was an autonomous vehicle following system, right? So what that means is the car at the back is supposed to automatically, without any human interference, it's supposed to follow the one that is in front. Right, so the one that is in front, I have its remote control and I am controlling it, and the at the back is pretty much controlling itself, right? So I'll explain everything else as I'm going on. I'll just mention here that that red pouch in front of the toy car, that is my cell phone. I put my cell phone in there and I'm pretty much taking a video of what is in front of the car, and that is the sensor I am using in essence. Okay, so you'll notice the car in front has a piece of paper, pink piece of paper attached to the back of it. That is what the camera is looking for. So the phone's camera takes the video and sends all of the frames via Wi-Fi back to the camera. I mean, back to the laptop, right? So when the laptop has that, it processes each frame as an image and it looks for that pink piece of paper, finds the center, and then calculates the distance between the two cars, right? Once you have the distance between the two cars, then you'd be able to maintain a particular following distance, which means every time the car in front passes a certain threshold, then the car in the back needs to move. There's also a bunch of control theory about the steering. Interestingly, this uses Ackerman steering, which is how your automobiles, your normal cars, that's the type of steering they use over here. But that is pretty much the gist of this, right? And interestingly, the building we're in here is called Engineering Building 3. At the time, it was the newest engineering building at the University of Pretoria. But now we also have Engineering 4.0, which is situated at the sports grounds. Right, so here I am doing the turn. I was very, very excited because it was working very well for the first time. It was working better than it had ever worked. So I was very, very excited about that. But yeah, that is the computer engineering program at the University of Pretoria. I would definitely recommend computer engineering, even though I was a bit dramatic when I was telling you about how tough the actual course is. But we are now living in the fourth industrial revolution, and computer engineers are actually at the forefront of everything that is happening. So we do need a lot more people to be taking up this course. Very, very high in demand, and also very interesting work as well. So definitely consider computer engineering, or if not, one of the closely related fields of electrical engineering. But yes, we definitely need you here in this